Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to convert Audacity files to MP3 format. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see a menu option labeled File. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Export Audio. This is the feature that allows you to save your audio project in different formats, making it easy to share or use your recordings across different platforms. After clicking Export Audio, you'll see another option appear. Click on Export to Computer. This will open a new window where you can configure exactly how you want to save your audio file. This step is essential because it gives you control over where the file goes and what format it will be saved in. At the top of this window, you'll notice a field where you can rename your file. Feel free to change the file name to whatever you prefer. This helps keep your audio files organized, especially if you're working on multiple projects at once. Now, if you want to change where the file will be saved, you can do that too. Click the Browse button to choose a different location folder. You'll see options like Documents, Downloads, or Desktop. Select whichever location makes the most sense for your workflow and where you'll easily find the file later. Next, look for the section labeled Format. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and you'll be presented with several file format options. Go ahead and select MP3 files from the list. MP3 is a widely compatible format that works on virtually any device and takes up less storage space than some other formats, making it perfect for sharing and playback. Below the Format section, you'll notice another option called Quality. Click the drop-down menu right beside it. If you want your audio to have better sound quality, select Excessive 320 kilobits per second. This is the highest quality setting for MP3 files and ensures your audio maintains excellent clarity and detail, which is especially important if you're creating content for professional use or if audio fidelity matters to you. Once you've configured all your settings, click the Export button. Audacity will now process your audio file and convert it to MP3 format. Depending on the length of your recording, this might take a few moments, so just be patient while the application completes the export process. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Audacity file to MP3 format with the exact quality and file location you wanted. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.